Once upon a time, in the vast Caribbean Ocean, there existed 4 mysterious island deities. Each had powerful gifts. These deities, 2 men and 2 women, had guarded the balance of the world for centuries, their divine presence unseen but felt through the harmony of nature. One day, a sudden cosmic disturbance rippled through the universe. An ancient darkness, long banished, threatened to resurface and engulf their space in chaos. The 4 island deities sensed this upheaval and knew it was time to awaken from their slumber. On the island port, Moilara, the sun goddess, stirred from her luminous sleep. Her dark wavy curly afro hair shimmered like rays of sunlight, and her mysterious brown eyes held the warmth of dawn. She rose atop her island's highest mountain peak, her presence igniting the sky with a radiant glow. Meanwhile, on the other part of the island port, Stever, the wind god, awoke in the swirling clouds. His form was translucent, constantly shifting like a breeze, and his laughter echoed through the air as he stretched his unseen limbs. With a gust, he prepared to carry the divine energy across the world. Far to the east, near the third lush place on the island port covered in vibrant jungles, Claude Lunar, the moon goddess, opened her silver eyes. Her calm demeanor reflected the serenity of the night. She raised her hands, summoning gentle tides and silvery starlight to guide the awakening. On the last island port, the earth god Raimondu emerged from beneath the ground. His massive figure was intertwined with brown-green roots and emerald stones, embodying strength and stability. With a deep, resonant voice, he promised to protect the world's foundation. As the quartet deities reunited at the central point, an ancient sacred site, the cosmic disturbance grew more intense. They combined their powers, solar light, wind's breath, moon's calmness, and earth's strength, and formed a radiant sphere of divine energy. With a collective effort, they unleashed a wave of harmony that dispelled the cloudiness threatening to consume everything. The celestial balance was restored, and the world was safe once more. From that day forward, the 4 island deities remained vigilant, watching over the harmony of nature and the cosmos. Their awakening became a legend among the people, an eternal reminder of the divine guardians who protected the world in its time of greatest need. And so, the story of the 4 island deities, the cosmic awakening, became a timeless tale of unity, strength, and the enduring power of the divine.